Hello students, now I will discuss mock test 3. Okay, this paper is actually very easy, mathematics. Very easy paper. Difficult questions are like 9th question, 12th question, I think 21, 16 and 24. These are some difficult questions. Okay, maybe easy for you if you are in batch 1. Okay, but overall this is a easy paper, very easy paper. You should get good marks. Okay, so now this is first question. Minimum distance between two curve. Okay, so obviously we know that minimum distance between two curve should be between their common normal. Okay, so this is the hyperbola and diagram is this. Obviously this is the hyperbola and this one is a circle. Okay, circle of radius a, no, radius is a by 2. Okay, because 4 is here, so 4 will go there and down. Okay, so a by 2 whole square, right? Radius is a by 2, not a. Okay, so this is a, obviously this one is a. Okay, we know that this is a for hyperbola, this one is a and this is b here. Okay, b we can't draw obviously, I mean we can write here but there is no point on graph. Okay, you know that this point. Now this is a circle of radius a by 2, this one is a by 2. So let's pick 2 point. Okay, let's these 2 point a here, point b here. Okay, so obviously this is more length. Now if you like, you can observe here, this is the point. Okay, you can see, sir, this is the minimum distance between 2 point, right? How much is this? This is obviously a by 2, a minus a by 2 is a by 2, so this one is a by 2. Okay, if you take any 2 point, different point than this point, let's say take this point, okay, this point, and take any other point on this on this hyperbola, so obviously this will be more length, right? More length, more. Okay, this is minimum. I think this is very easy question, so answer is a by 2. Okay, next, this question will take 10 seconds only. Okay, next question. So this is the second question. Okay, again very simple question. The formula for SD, standard deviation, is very simple. You should know obviously. Okay, xi minus mean whole square and summation here upon total number. How many? 18. Okay, 18 here, 18. Okay, fine. Now I want to, first of all, you can see here what I need. M means mean. So let's find mean from here. Okay, x1, put 1 here, x1 plus x2 dash up to x18. Okay, this and minus 8, how many times? 18 times. Okay, so minus 8 into 18 equal to 9. Okay, now because I want to find mean here. Okay, mean means upon 18. Okay, upon 18 and upon 18. So this is, what is this? This is mean. Okay, m is equal to, from here how much? Cut. This is 1 by 2 plus 8 will be 1 by 2 plus 8, how much? 17 by 2. Okay, so I will put this mean value here. This is 17 by 2. Very nice. Okay, 17 by 2. See, there is actually shortcut method also, which you can see in DeepL text solution. I am solving this question in lengthy method. Okay, now next point is now what I need. This is given. Okay, this I can use here obviously, right? So summation of xi minus 8 whole square is given, but what I need the summation of xi minus 17 by 2. Okay, so how can I find this? It's very simple. What I can do here, open it. Okay, if you open this, you will get, wait, don't open it, xi minus 17 by 2. This is actually 8.5, right? Plus 1 by 2 whole square, summation equal to how much? 45 is given. Very nice. Now if you open this, a plus b whole square. Okay, so a square, yeah, so a square plus b square plus 2ab, so xi minus 17 by 2. Okay, now obviously summation here, so summation here and summation here, okay, is equal to 45. Nice. So basically this is my you can say rough page. Obviously I can remove it. Okay, so this I want, obviously. Okay, this I know, yes. This I know, yes. This I know, given. Okay, this I want, so put this there. So 45 minus summation of 1 by 4. How many times? 18 times, right? Yeah, 18 times. So 18 into 1 by 4. Okay, minus summation of xi minus same thing what I will do here, because xi minus 8 is given, I will use this here. Okay, so write this as summation of xi minus 8, but this is actually minus under by 2, so plus, no sorry, minus half. Okay, so this is, now this I know already. Okay, so 45 minus how much? 9 by 2. Yeah, 9 by 2 minus summation of xi minus 8 plus summation of half, which is actually how much? 18 by 2. Okay, 18 by 2, because summation of half how many times? 18 times. Okay, so this will be equal to 9. 9 minus 9 by 2 is 9 by 2. So 45 plus 9 by 2. This is obviously given here how much? 9. Okay, so put here minus 9, again minus 9 by 2. Okay, so minus 9 by 2. Very nice. So basically what is this? What is this? This is the value of this expression which I will use here. So this is equal to under root. Oh, this is board. Okay, this I will use here. So how much is this? This is 45 minus 9 by 2. Let's find this value. This is 90 minus 9, 81 by 2. 81 by 2. So put this value here. 81 by 2. 81 by 2. 81 by 2 into 18. Okay, into 18. Then under root. This is your answer. Okay, so this is 9. This is 6. 9 by 6 means 3 by 2. You can see the shortcut method in DeepL text solution. Okay, so the answer 3 by 2. This is lengthy method. Okay, still you can do, right? Okay, it's not like you skip this question. If you know one formula, very basic formula, SD equal to under root of summation blah blah blah. Okay, very simple question. Next, this is also very simple question. First of all, you can see here, this is actually d of xy. Okay, d of xy, and cosec will go there. So sine by cos means 10. 10 of y by x. 10 y by x. Wow, nice. This x will go there down. Okay, so y by x into, what is this actually? This is x dy minus y dx. If you multiply divided by x here and x here, this expression will become d of y by x. We will check, obviously, we will check. So d of y by x, if you can't remember this formula, you can check. Okay, but you should do very fast. D of u upon v means u dash into v. So u dash means d of y, it's here, into v, minus u into v dash, it's here. Okay, upon v square. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, now that means this is d of y by x. So from here we can write we can add this expression again. So this is basically d of xy. Okay, x here, y here, this both will go there down upon xy equal to. So now this is actually d of y by x, and 10 will come here, quote of y by x. Okay, now you can integrate easily. Okay, and from here you will get answer. This is actually a very simple question. Okay, this question you can solve in different way also. I will not discuss here. You can discuss, you can come to doubt section. Okay, now what is this? Whatever is written here is exactly same here. That means you can say this as d of x upon x. Okay, like dx upon x. So ln x, log x. Okay, so log x means where is it? So ln of, but with mode. Okay, we will try to be more accurate. Okay, and this is integration of quote is ln mod sine of y by x. Nice. Okay, then plus u, obviously. What is given here? Nothing is given. Okay, fine. This is the answer. Now, but the options are different. Okay, there is no log, like there is no ln here. So obviously I have to change the log into this kind of format. Okay, what I can do here, same base. Okay, this will come here. Recording, all right? Yeah, this will come here. So ln of mod of xy log a minus log b down, sine of y by x, okay, equal to c. Base is e here, this will go there, e power c is c, okay. So basically this will become xy upon sine of y by x is equal to e power c. Where is mode? Put here plus minus, still this is whole c, you can take this as c, right? So option number xy into cosec y by x equal to c, option c is correct. So question number 1, 2, 3, again very simple questions. This is also very simple question. Next, so this fourth question, in this question we will put x plus 1 by x plus 1 under root equal to t. Why? Because I can see here the same expression here and here, okay. So now what I will do, differentiate, okay. So 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by x plus 1, then go inside 1 minus 1 by x square, okay, into dx equal to dt. You can simplify this expression as 1 minus 1 by x into 1 plus 1 by x. Now next point, this expression, okay, this expression take here x square common from here, okay. So you will get x plus 1 by x plus 1, okay. Then take, basically you are taking x square common from here, okay, and x common from here also, okay. So this will become x plus 1 by x. So x from x here and x here, so x square here, x here, so cut, only x is here, okay. I am skipping one step here. Now what is remaining here? X plus 1 by x into x plus 1, okay. Anything? Yeah, x minus 1 here into dx, okay. Now obviously you can see here that dx upon root, dx upon this root is exactly same here, dx upon this root. So value is equal to, this will be equal to, so x minus 1 into dx upon root is equal to 2 dt upon this. So 2 dt upon, make factors, 1 minus 1 by x into 1 plus 1 by x, and here I am putting this here, no change, dx upon this is here, fine. Then these expression, okay, x into x plus 1, so x into x plus 1, x plus 1 by x, if you focus here on x plus 1 by x, you will see that this is actually, x plus 1 by x is actually t square minus 1, right? This is t square minus 1, so into t square minus 1, okay, into this t. Now obviously many expression will get cancelled, okay, integration of, you can see here that take LCM, x minus 1, right, x minus 1 by x minus 1 cut, okay. So only 2 dt here upon x minus 1 cut, x plus 1 upon x, and this x also cut. So basically x minus 1 by x is cut and cut. So x plus 1 by x, sorry, yeah, x plus 1 by x, okay, from here, and this is t square minus 1, t square minus 1. Anything? No. Okay. Now how I can use this expression here? Basically no idea about this expression, okay. So what you can do here, x plus 1 by x, wait, x plus 1 is also here, no? Okay, x plus 1 is also here, so multiply x plus 1 is also here, x plus 1 is also here. If I take x plus 1 also, so x plus 1, so x plus 1 whole square means x square plus 1 plus 2x, okay, by x, nice. So what I can do here, integration 2 into dt, open it, x plus 1 whole square, open it, x square plus 1 plus 2x upon x, this x into t square minus 1 into t square minus 1. So when you write, so basically when you divide this x with this, you will get x plus 1 by x plus 2. Again you can use this expression here, right, x plus 1 by x here, okay. After this, when you divide this x plus 1 by x, what you will get, 2 dt integration here upon. So x plus 1 by x plus 2, okay, into t square minus 1, t square minus 1. And again I will use this information here. What is x plus 1 by x? T square minus 1. So plus 2 means t square plus 1. So you will get integration 2 dt upon t square plus 1 into t square minus 1 into t square minus 1. Okay. Now if you can observe one thing here, basically this is equal to this. Okay. Now can you see here very basic partial integration? If you can see, very good. Okay. So this is basically, if you write this as this expression as integration t square plus 1 minus t square minus 1. Why? Because what you will get? T square cut 1 plus 1 2. Wow, nice. And upon this expression, okay, this into this. So when you divide this in basically this LCM, what you will get? 1 by integration of t square minus 1 minus integration of 1 by t square plus 1. Okay, so now this is actually very basic question. Integration of 1 by t square minus 1, how can we solve? If you know formula, very good. If you don't know formula, again use partial fraction. How? 1 by t minus 1 t plus 1, then write again here t plus 1 minus of t minus 1, like this. Okay, but if you remember formula, no issue. Okay, you can apply here 1 by integration of x, integration of 1 by x square minus 1. Okay, so now I want to solve this question. Okay, you can do now. Okay, so this one is integration of this is equal to tan inverse t, right? So both are actually formula based question. Now you can do. Okay, so this is enough hint. So now then you will get this expression. Okay, minus a. So a is coming from here. Okay, because this is the formula of this. You will put t value obviously. Okay, you will put t value there again. This is actually this a. So integration this will be tan inverse t. Tan inverse t means tan inverse this. Okay, so option number B is correct. Again, very simple question. Okay, next, isolate point of discontinuity. First of all, you should know what is isolate point of discontinuity. Limit exists, first of all. Okay, it's a random graph. Okay, limit exists, f of a also exists, but f of a is not equal to limit at a. Okay, so now I will draw a rough diagram. Okay, wait, rough diagram. So this is the graph, let's say. At point A, fa is here. Okay, for example. Okay, in this condition, mode of fx will be same. Okay, I'm talking about in this portion only. Okay, still same. So basically this is wrong graph. Okay, if you take this here and let's say this is, let's say, height h and exactly same height h here down this. Okay, so again f of at point A, limit of fx is, let's say, f of a plus a minus. Okay, this is the value. Okay, limit exists because isolate point of discontinuity here given. Okay, f of a value is, let's say, minus of f of this, exactly same. In this condition only mode of fx will be, this point will come here and this will fulfill this this discontinuity. Okay, so this will be the graph of mode fx graph. That means this should be equal and equal. Okay, the y value, okay, this equal to this. So obviously option B is correct. First of all, they should write bracket here. Okay, or otherwise they should write like this: limit fx is equal to minus of fa. Then like this will look better. Okay, so basically limit of f, this point should be equal to minus of fa. Clear? This is also very simple question if you know the basic idea of mode of a function. Okay, one more thing which is isolate point of discontinuity. Okay, so again this is a typical NCERT level question or board exam level question. You can do easily within 10 seconds. Next, sixth question. Okay, two curve given, actually two circles given, P and Q point. Nice. So two circles, same center. P and Q point moving here. P here, let's say Q anywhere. Okay, let's say here. Okay. The solution which is given in DeepL text format is different. Okay, there is one theorem. Okay. If you don't know, obviously most of 99% of you don't know this theorem. Okay. Still we can do this very simple question. So P point lies on this curve and Q is here. Okay, so what is the question? The midpoint of PQ. Midpoint. Let's say here. Okay. Find the locus of midpoint of PQ. So obviously H comma K. Midpoint here, right? Now what I will do? I will assume P and Q. Okay. P I will assume 4. Yeah, R is 4. So 4 cos theta, 4 sin theta, and Q is on this. So 6 cos alpha, comma 6 sin alpha. Okay, I'm taking here a parametric point. Okay, so why? Because using these 2 point, okay, basically parametric form, it's very simple question. Okay, now midpoint, anything given? Yeah, PQ is given. Okay, PQ means length PQ. So PQ how much? 4 into cos theta minus 6 into cos alpha whole square under root plus 4 sin theta minus 6 sin alpha whole square is equal to how much? 4. Given? Nice. Okay, don't write sin sin, okay, and cos cos. Save your time. Now if you open this, don't open this. Okay, smartness is cos square here into 16 sin square here, that means combine 16. Okay, 36 here, 36 here, so 36. Basically 16 plus 36, and remaining you will get 24, 48. So 48 into cos theta cos alpha minus, yeah, plus sin theta sin alpha. Okay, I am taking common here, equal to 4. Let's remove the root here. Okay, 16, remove this root. Wait. Okay, now this is 16 here. Fine, I will do here. So this value, okay, let's say whatever, let's say P. So P how much? P will be equal to 36 by 48. So 12, okay, 3 by 4. So whatever is this is 4, 3 by 4. Okay, now midpoint of PQ is obviously H is equal to, or 2H, let's say 2H is equal to 4 cos theta plus 6 cos alpha. Okay, similarly 2K equal to 4 sin theta plus 6 sin alpha. Again we will do whole square and addition. Okay, so when you do whole square and addition, what you will get? Whole square and addition. So 4h square plus 4k square equal to, you can see here the same pattern here also, 16 with this 16. So 16 plus 36 from here, then you will get here cos theta, cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta sin alpha. Okay, with common 48 here common. So this is actually P. Same expression here, same here. This is P. Okay, this is equal to this. So how much is P here? 3 by 4. Put here 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Cut 12. 36, 72 plus 16. 72 plus 16, how much is this? 8. So basically 4 is here, so how much? 22. Okay, so this basically midpoint is actually locus of, okay, whatever. Now radius is root of 22. Question is get. This is actually very simple question, typical RD Sharma question. Okay, next 7th, the domain of function. This is one of the simplest question of this exam. Okay, this expression, if you're checking this expression, that means you are so dumb. Okay, this is always plus. X square plus x plus 1 is always plus. Don't check this. Okay, focus here. Sine inverse of anything, the input should be minus 1 to 1. Okay, this minus 1 to 1. And you can see here clearly that this is modulus, this can't be negative. So I will rewrite this expression again like this. So 0 here, which is very obvious. If you are very good in inequality, you can also write this as 1 by x square minus 1 modulus is less than 1. This only. Or remove mod like this and write like this. Still, this is exactly same thing. Okay. Now, if you have basic idea of inequality, you can solve this question very easily. Okay. Do you know reciprocal? If you know, very good. So basically this is less than 1. Okay. So mod of x square minus 1 will be belongs to 1 to infinity. Okay. Close here. Okay. Close open we will check later. Now mod of this equal to this. Okay. So x square minus 1 will be belongs to this whole expression belongs to minus infinite to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now I will add 1 to get x square only. So add 1 here, minus infinite to 0 union 2 to infinity. Now this is x square and x square can't be negative. Okay, so I will remove this negative portion, right? In the same way I removed here also minus 1 2, right? Okay, so from here can I write this as x square is only belongs to 2 to infinity? Sir, 0 possible? 0 possible? No. If x is 0, wait, yeah, 0, yeah, so sorry, 0 possible. Union 0 possible. Okay, I thought this is 1 by x only. Okay, fine. 0 possible? No, what is x? What is x only? So x belongs to minus infinite to minus root 2 union root 2 to infinity, then union 0. This is the answer. A very basic question of inequality. Very basic question. Okay, I hope this is clear. You can solve this inequality in different way. Okay, this is my method. Next. So this is also actually a very simple question. Typical Adi-Sharma question. Okay, you can do very easily within 30 seconds, let's say 30 seconds. Maximum 1 minute if you know formula. Okay. So first of all, let's break this 2520. Okay, into factors. So 2 here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 0, right? I hope this is correct. Yeah, okay. Then 2 again, 6, 3, 0. Then 2 again, and yeah, correct. Yeah, then I think 3. So 1 and 0, 5. Yeah, okay. Then I can see here 3 again. Okay, 3 again. 9 and 5. Okay. Then not 3 here. Now we can see 5. I think 5. So 5, 1, 4, 5, and 19. Okay. So 19 here and 1. Nice. So this is basically 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1 into 19 power 1. Okay. Please check the numbers. Okay. Now this is equal to this. Okay. So basically if you know summation formula, okay, then you can do easily. Let me check the number again. Something is wrong here. This should be 3 square and 5 power 1 7 here. Okay, I think that this number is wrong. Okay, please check this part. Okay, I think this should be 7 here. Whatever. So this 7 here. Please check this properly. Next. So it's actually formula based question. Okay, what you can do here? Formula is 2 power 0, 2 power 1. Sum of all divisor. Formula based question. Formula based question. Okay, 2 power 3 into 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2 into 5 power 0, 5 power 1 into 7 power 0, 7 power 1. Okay, I won't do proof here. Okay, proof is not important in this question. Okay, you want to see proof? You can open your notes and you can come to doubt section. Okay, this is a formula based question. Okay, you can solve easily. This is actually sum of all divisors. Okay, sum of all divisors. So how much is this? 8 plus 8 plus 2, 10 plus 15. So 15 into 9 plus 1, 10, 13. into 6 into 7 plus 1 8. Okay, so the multiplication is equal to 9360. 9360. Yeah, so please check again. 9360. Yeah, okay, fine. Now this is multiplication. Next, this is the sum of all divisor. Okay, now what is the question? Other than this and given number means this number. Okay, so except these two number. Okay, so these two obviously properly divisible. Okay, but we don't want to add these two. Okay, but what is this? Before applying any formula, you should know what you are doing actually. Okay, this sum of all, sum of all. So here I will remove these two number. Okay, so the answer is not this. Answer is not this. Okay, so I will remove from here -1 and 2520. So option number A is correct. Very simple question, typical R.D. Sharma question. Okay, then next question, the coefficient of x of 50 in this. See, this question is actually very simple. I am putting this question in difficult level. Okay, why? Because if you can't observe the pattern, okay, this is actually a AGP. Okay, if you're thinking, sir, you want x over 50, okay, this is a binomial kind of question. Yes, it is binomial question, but at the end, okay, at the end I will use binomial concept. Before this is AGP question. Okay, now if you're thinking, so let's find 1000 C50, it is x over 50 coefficient. From here 999 C49, because into x also. Okay, so this is also x for 50 coefficient into 2 obviously. Okay, in this way you can't solve this question. Okay, it's very lengthy, but if you can observe, this is actually AGP. Okay, then we can solve easily. Okay, so now AGP means 1 into 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What is common ratio here? Where is GP? GP is actually these parts. Okay, so the common ratio is actually x upon 1 plus x. You can check, multiply each term. Okay, except this AP. Okay, multiply each term, you will get this next term like this. Okay, this is AGP. So how we can solve AGP? It's very basic. 1 plus x power 1000. Okay, this question is lengthy. Okay, but very simple. Plus, because generally AGP question are lengthy. Okay, 2x into x into 1 plus x power 999. Then you can also write this as R. Okay, if you want. Okay, then like this, plus last expression is 1001. We can write second last term also 100. Okay, into, you can observe here that the number which is here 1 power less here. Okay, into the number which is here. Okay, the addition of this number and this number is 1001. You can see here also, into 1 here, add 1001. Okay, so, and you can see also here 3 plus 9 8, how much? 1001. So same pattern here also, 1 plus x power should be 1, right? Because this plus this is 1001, and the last expression is this 1001 into x power 1000 into 1 plus x power 0, because I want 1001 total. So 1001 plus 0. Okay, fine. Now this is AGP. What we can do here? How to solve AGP? If you know basic, if a basic idea, you can do easily. Okay, S into R. So when you do this S into R, you will, we don't write like this. Okay, we write one step like this. Okay, so I will add this term here after multiplying. So how much? X into 1 plus x power 999, because if you multiply this with this, x will be here, 1 plus x will get cancelled with so you will get only triple line here and 1 here, so 1 here. Okay, now this will multiply with this also. Okay, so x square will come here, with 2 also obviously. Then 1 plus x per how much? 998, like this. Then we will come here. Okay, So here you will get, and now you can observe the pattern. The pattern is very simple. Addition of this and this is 1000. 2 plus 9 and 8, 1000. So obviously 9, achha, this will be same here, exactly same here, exactly same. Okay, if you solve this AGP question, you know this thing. Okay, this is exactly same here. Then we can subtract. Okay, so how much here? 1 here. So I want 999, right? And this will come here plus 1000 into x power, same here, 1000 into 1 plus x power 0. Okay, you can ignore this also, let's say whatever. Then last term you will also multiply, so this will become plus 1001 into x power 1001 upon 1 plus x. This is multiplication with the last term. Okay, is this. Now then we subtract. This is very simple question of AGP. Okay, but lengthy hai, obviously. So after subtraction, 1 minus this is s upon 1 plus x. Okay, is equal to, after subtraction. Next, this will come down here because 0 here obviously. Okay, so now power how much? 1000. Okay, plus 2 minus 1 1. So again x into 1 plus x power 999. Okay, plus like this. Okay, so again x square into 1 plus x power 998 dash dash dash. Then you will come here. Then again x power 999 into 1 plus x. Then this minus this is again x power 1000. Okay, I will not write this one by x power 0. Okay, let's ignore this. Then this is single like you. So this one is single because there is no one here. Okay, this will combine with this. Okay, this will not combine with anyone. So this like this also, like this. Okay, there is no one for this. Okay, completely single. So this is also single. Okay, so minus of 1001 into x power 1001 upon 1 plus x. I hope this is clear. Okay, so because I don't have space, so I will remove this portion. Fine. What you can see here, you can clearly see here, this is actually GP. Okay, from starting or from here. Okay, sometime we take from starting or sometime we take from here. There is no like exact theory. Okay, you will observe. Okay, this, if I count this as A, first term A. Okay, so this will become GP or not, and I can see here that what is R here? R is how much? X by 1 plus x. Is this also correct in this also? X by 1, yeah, correct. So basically I will take this from here till here because all these are GP terms. Okay, so what is this actually? S upon 1 plus x is equal to A. What is A here? This A into R. What is R here? X by 1 plus x. R can be different. Okay, don't say sir R was x by 1 plus x here. No, R can be different also. Okay, R power n, and how much? Now how to find n? It's very simple. Focus on the power. Okay, how much? 1000, 999 till end x 1 plus x power 0. So how many terms here? 1001. So power is 1001 minus 1 upon r minus 1 upon r minus 1. This is equal to this minus of 1001 into x power 1001 upon 1 plus x. So now again I will remove this portion, and you can see here clearly when you multiply this 1 plus x there, what you will get? So you will get s is equal to what I need? I need, okay, s. I want to find s. S is equal to multiply 1 plus x there. So 1 plus x power 1001 into x power 1001 upon 1 plus x power 1001 minus 1. If you take LCM, what you will get? You will get x, so minus sign here, so plus and minus here. Okay, sign will change. 1 plus x is there, this will come here and then reciprocal. So 1 plus x also here. I hope this is correct. This will come here with, okay, reciprocal, yeah, nice. Then minus 1001 into x power 1001. This will get cancelled with this. Okay, this will multiply here. Okay, so this will get cancelled. Now, what is remaining here? So obviously you will multiply this expression inside. So what you will get? You will get s is equal to, yeah, this is actually lengthy question. Lengthy question. Okay, we can't do anything, but very simple. S is equal to, multiply here. You will get 1 plus x power 1001 minus this into this, now this into this. How much? X power 1001. Yeah, so I think you can see here. I just multiplied this 1 plus x there. Okay, so then obviously simplification, at the end you will get this expression 1 plus x power 1002 minus this. What I want x power 50. I want x power 50 coefficient. So x power 50 you will not get from here obviously. X power 50 you will not get from here, very obvious. You will get from here only. So x power 50 coefficient is 1000 to C50. Again, lengthy question but very simple question of AGP. Okay. At the end we are using binomial. Okay, but before this almost AGP concept. Okay, then this is very simple concept of binomial theorem, right? So 1000 to C50, sorry 50, right? So 50 this option C. Okay, next. So this question is also very simple. Here I want to apply row and column transformation. Don't open this expression directly. Okay, so better option is R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is much better option. Okay, so what you will get? You will get here this R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. So you will get 0. And here AB plus BC plus CA. Then here A minus B, A minus C. No change. Similarly, you will apply the same concept in this also. Okay, so minus of here also. So 0 here, 0 here. Same. Okay, same here also. And here A square plus B square plus C square. Don't write anything here. Okay, same. No change. Don't write here. Save your time. Now is equal to P. When you open this, okay, you can write here also. It's a 0 here, 0 here, and 0 here, 0 here. And here AB, BC, CA, here A square, BC, C 0 here. Okay. Now, when you open it, so after opening, what you will get? After opening, now you can open easily because there are 2 zeros in one row only. Nice. Congratulations. So this, I will pick first row, okay, to open this AB plus BC plus CA into this minus this. So A minus B whole square with minus sign because this is B minus A. Minus of A minus C into B minus C. Okay, this is actually you can say the first expression. Okay, AB here, bracket. Now minus second expression. So A square plus B square plus C square into this into this. Okay, so A minus B whole square with the minus sign. Okay, minus A minus C into B minus C is equal to P. I hope this is clear. Okay, and it's very simple. Next, what you can do here? You can observe one point here, which is minus of A square, minus of B square, minus of C square, right? And this expression is exactly same here, exactly same. Okay, so can I say that AB plus BC plus CA into, I am getting so basically I will take common this expression. Okay, so this is actually minus A square minus B square minus C square. Then I am getting here plus 2AB from here plus 2AB. Yeah, 2AB. From here I am getting how much? Minus AB. So only AB here. Okay, so AB plus BC plus CA from here. Okay, I am taking this expression common because this is exactly same. This expression is exactly same here, right? When you take common, remaining what you will get? You will get into this AB BC CA minus this minus A square minus B square minus C square is equal to P. Now you can see here clearly both are same again. So basically A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA whole square with minus sign, because I am taking minus, sorry, yeah, I am taking minus common here and minus common here, so sorry, minus minus plus, whole square is equal to P. So I found this value very easily, okay, and this was very simple step. Now let's focus on this part. Okay, what is this? If you open it, let's open it. If you open this expression, what you will get? A into C minus A, okay, minus B into B minus C. Maybe some of you remember this determinant, okay, because it's very famous, okay. Then 1 into AB minus C square equal to how much? 2010. So if you simplify this expression, this is actually, you can see here, minus of A square minus of B square minus of C square plus AB plus BC plus C is equal to this. So from here, can I say that this value I can use here? Yes. So P is equal to 2010 power 2. Now P is this. Then the number of positive divisor of the number P. So basically I want to find a divisor. Okay, so this question is actually till here was not difficult. Okay, if you're good in row and column transformation. Okay, but after this, if you're not good in P and C, okay, permutation combination, then you can't solve this question. Okay, because you can't solve this part. Okay, this part. So again, there is a formula. Okay, typical R.D. Sharma question, find the number of divisor, it's a formula. So the factors of this number are now factors. So let's remove this portion. Factors of this number P is equal to, factor will be, because it will take time, so I am writing just here 2 3 5 6 7. So 2 3 5 square. I hope this is correct. Okay, so whatever, after finding the factor 2 3 5 7, then whole square, so whole square everywhere. Okay, now how to find the number of divisor? Very basic formula. The formula is focus on power. First of all, they should be different. Okay, and prime number. Okay, so 2 plus 1, it's a formula, power. Okay, 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 and finish. Okay, the answer is 3 power 4, 81. Option number D is correct. So I can say this question you should solve at the last. Okay, at the end. This question is actually lengthy little bit and multiple concept. Okay, 2 chapter here. Next, a set of one number raised. Okay, again very simple question. So starting from 1, okay, starting from 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to how many? No idea. Okay, let's say n. So what is given here? One number is removed. Okay, nice. So the AM, let's say I am removing this number x. Still this is same expression, yes or no? Still it's same expression. So the remaining, basically remaining numbers AM is this. How many here? N? No, n minus 1. Okay, because it's not here. This is not here. Actually, what is given here? The AM of these number is this. Okay, now because I want to use the AM, okay, nice. Then next is equal to whatever is this. I think this is 602 by 17. Okay, please check number. Next. So basically it's a formula, right? If you add this one here, I don't know the value of x, obviously. Okay, I don't know this number. Which number is this? 3 4 5 10,000, no idea. Okay, so if you include this number here, okay, this will become a formula. Okay, summation of all natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2 minus x here single like u is equal to n minus 1 will go there, so n minus 1 into 602 by 17. Now find x, find x. So obviously first of all, what is n here? N is a natural number. Okay, very obvious. Next, find x. So x will be equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 minus n minus 1 into 602 by 17. It is very obvious, one equation is given, two variables are there. Okay, we can't solve this equation. No, we can solve. Okay, so because the benefit is n is a natural number. Sir, should we start from 1? N equal to 1, put 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. No. Okay, in this way, this question is very lengthy. You have to be very smart. X is also a natural number. Now, because x is also a natural number, you can say that this will not affect this x. Okay, if n is, let's say, odd number, still this will get cancelled, right? Because odd into even by 2, then we can solve this part. If n is a odd number or even number, this will get cancelled always. Okay, focus on this part, because x is also natural number, this should get cancelled. And first of all, you can't cancel this. First of all, okay, you can't cancel because it's a fraction, you can't cancel this part. Okay, next point, this should get cancelled with this, right? Okay, so n should be equal to either n equal to 18. Okay, so 18 minus 1 cut 17 cut. Okay, if n is 18, you will put there. Okay, so I will start now. We'll make cases. Okay, put n equal to 18. If you put n 18 here, you will get x equal to 18 into 19 by 2. So how much? 9 into 19 minus 602. Okay, so this number is obviously wrong. Okay, because this is a negative number, but x is a plus number. Okay, if you put n here, should you put 90, 20? No. Be smart. Again, this should get cancelled. So tell me the next factor of 17. It is 34. So put n equal to 35. N equal to 35. In this condition, you will get x equal to how much? 35 and 36. So 35 into 18 minus 2 into 602. So this number is actually negative number. It's a negative number. Okay. How I found very fast? It's very obvious that this is how much? Almost 1200. Okay, this is 1200 here, and this one is obviously focus here actually. This one is 1200 almost by 2 is 600 almost. Okay, so obviously it's a negative number. Okay, now we will come to the next, which is not 36, not 37, not 38. It will be next factor. So 17 done, 34 done. 51. So n should be equal to 52. So if I take n as 52, in this condition, x will be equal to 52 into 53 by 2, okay, minus 3 into 602. So this is also wrong. You can check here. This is almost 2500, almost, okay, 2500 by 2, almost 1250, almost, minus this is 1800, almost, okay, obviously wrong. Next, if you put n equal to next factor, which is 68, right? 60, yeah. So put n equal to 69. In this case, you will get x equal to 69 into 17 by 2 minus 4 into 602. So here this is the answer. Why? This is correct, and this is a plus number. Okay. From here, how much you will get? After solving, you will get x equal to I think 7. Okay, you can solve this expression, you will get x equal to 7. I hope this is correct. X is 7 or not? I will not solve this part. Okay, yeah, x is 7, x will be 7. Okay, so what if, sir, we put the next factor also? Okay, so we will get multiple answer. No, you can check. Okay, so this is correct. Fine. This question, the solution is different in your text, DeepL text solution different. Okay, but I solved in different way. Okay, no issue. This is also fine, right? Next question. The area of reason. Okay, so this is actually graphical question. If you are not good in graph, please skip this question. Okay. So, but if you know graph, then it's a very basic question of graph. Okay, this is, it's a circle, but inequality is given. Which area is this? Which area is this? This is actually inside, because less than 5. Okay, so this is inside area. How much radius? Root 5. Radius how much? Root 5. Okay, inside area, this area. Okay, next, this graph is actually like this. This point is 1, this point is again 1, symmetric. Okay, fully symmetric, -1 and -1. How to draw graph? This I can't discuss here. Okay, because it's very basic graph. Okay, first of all I will tell you basic idea. Put x2 minus x, put y2 minus y, symmetric hai, right? So exactly same equation. Okay, so graph should be symmetric about x and y axis. So yes, graph is symmetric about x and y axis. Nice. Second thing is, you can make cases. Okay, so this is the way to find the graph. Okay, now more than one means this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, and this portion. So obviously, what is common portion here? What is common portion? This is the common portion. Okay, this small. First of all, these are not triangle. First of all, these are not triangle. This, the actual structure is like this. It's like a curve. Okay, like it's curvature, not triangle. Okay, curvature is there. Now how to find area of these, all these? Because it's fully symmetric diagram. Okay, completely symmetric. Can I say that 8 into single this part only? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, all are same. Okay, so 8 times this area. So how much is this? How much is this? How to find this part? Okay, so can I say that I will find this area. Okay, complete this area by using circle. Then I will remove this area. This is actually a simple structure which you know already. Okay, area will be equal to half into, let's say this is L B B1 B2. Okay, area will be equal to half into L into B1 plus B2. Okay, I hope you know this formula. Okay, now area of this will be how much? Circle area. So circle equation. So 5 minus x square under root, plus minus will come here because we are talking about only this portion. This is only plus y. Okay, so plus here. Okay, integration from 0 to this point of intersection. How to find this point of intersection is, if you put here put x1 here, put this equation is actually y equal to x plus 1. This equation is y equal to x plus 1. Put x1 here, y will be 2. Yeah, correct. So 1 comma 2, this point is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Okay, you can check also here, 1 plus 4 is 5, correct. So integrating from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, this will give you this complete area. Okay, I will remove this shape. Okay, so half into base. How much base? This base is 1. 1, yeah, 1 into height. How much height? So sorry, summation of height. Okay, this is how much? 1. This is how much? 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. Now this is the answer. Okay, simplify this expression, then you will get answer. But the answer which you will get in sine format, right? Sine inverse of this, and the answer are given in 10 format, 10 inverse. Okay, so again this is ITF question. Okay, ITF plus area kind of question. Okay, so now how to find this value? At the end I will skip some steps here because it will take time to, basically it's a formula based question. Okay, integration of a square minus x square, formula based question. I will skip one step here, then I will add the formula only. Okay, so at the end you will get this expression, 20 times 10 inverse 1 by 2 minus 4. Let me check again. 20 times, yeah. Okay, this you will get after applying the formula. Which formula? The formula is integration of root of a square minus x square. Please remember, okay, this formula. Then after putting the limit also, you will get this value. Now here comes the ITF portion. Okay, so the answer is not here, right? What we can do here? So before this, there is one more step actually. Sine inverse also there. Okay, answer is this. 20 times, actually this is sine inverse 1 by root 5. Sine inverse 1 by root 5. Yeah, this is the expression which you will get from here. Okay, now whatever, I will convert this into formula, 10 formula. Okay, so this is actually 10 inverse of 1 by 2 minus 4. Then what I can do here, because I want different number here in the 10 inverse, obviously 2 into, I will apply the property here. The property is 2 into 10 inverse x is equal to 10 inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square with the condition. Okay, with condition. Okay, the condition is, please check the condition. So 10 times 10 inverse of 2x. So 1 by 1 minus x square, 1 by 4 minus 4 is equal to 10 times, how much is this? This will be equal to 10 times 10 inverse of, this is 4 by 3, right? 4 by 3 minus 4. Again, I can't see the same option here, right? Again, I will apply the property, same property, 2 10 inverse x property. Okay, but in this condition, the property is different actually. Okay, when I'm applying this property here, 2 10 inverse x, here x is actually less than 1 by root 2. I think there is some property like this. Okay, there is some two properties, some cases. Okay, two cases here. But in this condition, when you apply the property, please check the property notes. Okay, 5 times the property is pi plus 10 inverse 2x, same here, 8 by 3 upon 1 minus x square. Okay, so you should remember the property properly. Okay, please remember property properly. This is the property that in this condition, because it's more than 1, okay, then it will become pi plus this. After simplification, it's a minus number, minus will come out, you will get option number, I think, B. Okay, so this question you should skip if you are not good in graphs. Okay, second thing is, in this question we are using graph first of all, then we are using definite integration formula, then we are using ITF. So obviously this is difficult question, right? Next, one of the simplest question of this exam. Okay, typical RD Sharma question. What you can do here? Convert into 10 10. Okay, because I like 10 more than quote. So 10, how much is this? 10 6 degree? Yeah, into 10, how much? 50, sorry, 32? Yeah, 32. 32? Sorry, 42. 42. Correct? Yeah, correct. Upon. This is how much? 10, 30, sorry, 24. Yeah, 24. And this one is 10 of 12, right? You can also do reciprocal, okay? Obviously, these two will go up and then these two will come down. Okay, no issue. So, fine, whatever. I want to make small number also. Now, 10 6 here, and I can also see, so here I want to play formula, tan theta, because I can see formula here clearly, into 10 12 24 6 60 minus a is how much? 54. So 1054 here, and 60 plus a, how much? 1066. Please check again. Tan theta, 1060 plus theta, 1060 minus theta. Obviously I will divide also. Okay, benefit is, this one is how much? How much is this and this is equal to 10 3. So 10 3 means 10 18 degree. I hope this is clear. And remaining, so if focus, I think focus. Achha, first of all, this and this, what is this actually? This is actually code 24. So code 24, cut and cut. Nice. And okay, and one more thing, if this come down, okay, this will become cot 42 here, so this will become, so 10 18 degree here, this will come down, okay, this 42, so here cot 42, then 10 how much, 10 38 48, yeah, 48 degree into 10 12 here, 10 12 into 1054, okay, yeah, into this, okay, fine. Now again see here, 10 theta, 1060 minus theta, but 1060 plus theta is not here, so multiply, divide, 1072 1070 to actually it's here obviously, whatever, so this will become 10 3a, so this equal to 10 18 degree upon, so into 1072, what is actually, this is actually cot 18, right, so cut and cut, don't write here 1 upon, this will become 1036, 3, right, 3a, 1036 into 1054, so again cut answer is 1. The solution which is given in your DeepL text format is different, not an issue, it's a trigonometry, you can solve in different way, okay. Next, 14 number question, again one of the very basic question of quadratic, okay, very basic. Now 3x square, what is common root property, equal to 0, and 2x square, some of you will solve this question, sir let's find common root, okay, then put here, yes, this is the first method. Second is, if you remember the properties, I mean the shortcut, okay, so what is the shortcut here, which generally I use, okay, so bigger cross means 3 minus 2 whole square equal to small crosses 3b minus 2a small cross into a minus b. Keep in mind the order, okay, this minus this. You can also solve this question by simple method, which is find the common root, then put the common root in this equation, not a issue, okay. Open it, 1 is equal to 3ab plus 2ab, so 5ab minus 3b square minus 2a square. So question is, find the value of this is equal to 1. Very basic question, very basic. Next, a relation R on this. This question is little bit lengthy, okay, little bit, because you will check reflexive, symmetric and transitive, all these things, okay, it will take little more time, okay. So this is real means this is real, which means you can also put here a1 plus iota b1, a2 plus iota b2, you can solve this also, okay. Obviously I will try here, but this is the relation, okay. For let's check first of all reflexive, okay. In a reflexive, what we will do, we will put z1 equal to z2, not randomly, focus here, okay, this and this, so put same, okay, z1 equal to z2. So now when you put here z1 equal to z2, you will get 0, right, 0 by something 0. Now yes, 0 is a real number, right, 0 is a real number, correct, okay. So this is reflexive, it is correct. Now I will check symmetric. For symmetric, what I will do here, replace z1 and z2, okay, exchange. So z2 minus z1 by z1 plus z2, it's very obvious. When you are multiplying minus to a complex number, okay, this will not change the identity or the character of the complex number. Basically, let's say if the complex number is real, you are multiplying minus number, it's still real. If the complex number is let's say imaginary, okay, completely imaginary or whatever, okay, by multiplying minus sign, it's still imaginary. So if this is real, so this is also real, okay. So this is also correct, it is reflexive and symmetric both. Now for transitive, for this I have to check like z1 z2 and z3 also, okay. And for this, if you so like let's say 0 minus z2 by this, okay, and z2 minus z3 by this, then 0 minus z3, so it will take time, okay, obviously. Then I will put here z1 equal to a1 plus iota b1, z2 is a2, and z1 is this thing, okay. Let's put here, so a1 plus iota b1, okay, I will skip one step here, a1 minus a2 plus iota times b1 minus b2, okay, nice. So upon a1 plus a2 plus iota times b1 plus b2, okay, this should be real. What is this? This is this, okay, this should be real, means the imaginary part should be 0, okay. So what is the imaginary part? How to find? I will put imaginary part 0, okay. So basically rationalization, okay, in complex number. So this minus this, okay, and this minus this, which one? This one is here, okay. So this is how we find like we rationalize, right? So you will get here a1 minus a2 into a1 plus a2 when you are multiplying this part with this. Sorry, I want here only complex number should be only iota should be 0, iota part, okay. So this into this, so this is actually b1 plus b2, right, with the minus sign, this into this, then this into this, so plus b1 minus b2 into a1 plus a2 should be equal to 0. What I am doing here, I am just putting imaginary part 0, okay. So now after simplification you can say that this is nothing but a1 minus a2 upon a1 plus a2 is equal to b1 minus b2 upon b1 plus b2. If you use here componendo dividendo, you will get here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next, we can remove this part. Okay, now what is the basic fundamental of transitive? How to check transitive? Okay, we will put here z2 minus z3, right? So now z1 z2, then next z2 relation z3, okay, in same way. So z2 minus z3 upon this is real, that means z1 minus z3 upon z1 plus z3 is also real. Okay, this is the basic fundamental of transitive. Okay, what you will do, don't solve this again, okay, don't solve again, okay. Obviously from here in the same way you will get a2 by a3 is equal to b2 by b3. These are numbers only with 1 2 3 marking, okay. You will get same thing here, right? Don't solve, okay. From here you will get this. Then what is the property of transitive? This and this, then this, which means then this, then this. This should be correct. If not correct, then this is not transitive. How to check? It is very obvious that a1 upon b1, if you observe here, a1 upon b1 is equal to a2 upon b2, a2 upon b2 is equal to a3 upon b3, a3 upon b3, and yes, this one is correct. a1 upon b1 is equal to a3 upon b3. So this is transitive also. I hope this is clear. Okay, so all three are correct. That means basically reflexive, yes, symmetric, yes, transitive, yes. So which option is wrong? Option D is wrong. Next, lengthy, na? Right? This is a little lengthy question, but very simple. Okay. 3 points are there. So this question is basically 3 points are there. Okay, this is actually isosceles triangle and very simple question. 1 point O is here, A is here, 2 0, and B is here. This is isosceles triangle. Okay, point is 1 1 1 3. Nice. This is B. P is P and here and P point inside this. Now this is I, it is very obvious that the in center will lies on this line. It's very obvious. If you don't know, please revise chapter. Okay, in center in isosceles, in center will lie on this basically angle bisector. Okay, like it's symmetric diagram. Okay, now in center is here. So obviously this point P should be here. But why? This point P area should be this. If you check the condition, what is the condition here? Point P is moving in such a way that the distance from, so first of all, 90% of you can't understand this line actually. I know. So what is this actually? This is actually point P is inside this triangle. The length, distance from each side of point P, the distance from side OA is minimum. Okay, if you compare with the remaining two sides. So if you take point P here, okay, here, so obviously distance is this is more than this length, right? If you take point P here, okay, still this is more than this length, okay, and this both length. Okay, I want this is smallest. Okay, so point P, let's say point P here, if point P here, this is smallest. Okay, then these two length, distance from these two remaining two lengths. Okay, so let's say point P here, point P here, still this is smallest length, then these two lines distance. Okay, so this is the question and this will be the area, this area only. Okay, how to find this area? First of all, you should know basics fundamental of in center. What is this? This is actually equal angle theta theta. Very obvious. Two here, so one here, one here. Why? It's a symmetric diagram. Okay, this length equal. Yes, how much is this? This is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. This also 2 by root 3. Okay, please check. This is actually observation. Okay, these two are equal length. So obviously this is one here. Now how to find theta here? Find this area. Very easy question. It's a triangle. Okay, half into base. How much? 2. Base into height. How much is this? How much? Let's say h into height. So this is the answer. How to find height? H. Very easy question. So you can say that tan of 2 theta is equal to this by this. So how much is this? This is 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 3 because the point is given here. So 1 by root 3 is this by this. It is 1 upon 1. Okay, so how much is theta? Theta should be 15 degree. Okay, 1 5. Theta is 15 degree. You found theta? Enjoy. So tan 15 degree equal to h by 1. So h. So h is equal to, wait, this will get cancelled, 2. So the area answer is equal to, area will be equal to h, means tan 15 degree, and this is the answer. This is the answer. Now you don't know value. Okay, you can find easily. Okay, but if you remember, very good, this is the answer. Okay, but how to find value if you can't remember? So tan 30 by 2, right? So under root of 1 minus cos 30 upon 1 plus cos 30. You can apply this also. Okay, you can do easily. Okay, no, not very easily. Here also you have to think. Okay, still you can do that. Okay, one more way, which is tan 2a formula. So tan 2a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus 1 minus tan square a. Okay, so this will be quadratic and then you can do this. Okay, but you should remember the value. Okay, so again, very simple question, very simple question. The only difficult part is this, which area we want to find. Before this, what is this? Okay, so if you can understand this line, then also, like, this is also very good point. Okay, which area we want to find. Okay, again, not very simple question, but if you can understand these two part, then you can do easily. Okay, next. So again, relation and basically reflexive, symmetric, transitive, a very simple question. For first of all, let's understand this part. What is this actually? A comma B means you will pick A from here, okay, and this B means pick from here, okay, like this. Next, to check, this is actually, this is a even number, this is an even number, okay. To check reflexive, what we can do here, in reflexive condition, what we will do, we will put this same this as same, okay. So a comma b, relation a comma b, this is a basic fundamental of reflexive, right? If you are not able to understand this part, okay, then please solve R.D. Sharma question, okay. Next, so when you put this apply property here, okay, so 3AD means 3A here, D here, which means 3 times this into this, so 3AB, right? 3AB minus BC means this into this, which means 3BA, sorry, 7BA. So how much is this? Minus 4AB, and minus 4AB is always even number, right? Next, so basically this is a reflexive function relation, okay. Now to check symmetric, for symmetric we will just replace AB, here CD given, okay, replace which replacement actually, this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here, okay, A comma B, very basic, okay. So for this, if this is also even number, then it is reflexive, okay. So again apply the same property here, basically it's a property for this question, this is a, you can say, condition. So this C into B, so 3 times C into B minus 7 times D into A, 7 times D into A. Now this is also an even number. So how can you say? Pick any number, you can check this will be even number, okay. From here, this property, like basically pick n number here which satisfies this condition, and pick those number again, this will be also correct, okay. So yeah, you will check, okay, by putting numbers. If you want to check, you can check, okay. So this also reflexive. Next, transitive. For transitive, what we will do, for transitive, this is given condition, okay, we will pick P and Q here, right? So this is here A B C D, then C D P Q, okay, this is here and this is here, then this is the basic fundamental of transitive, right? Then A comma B should be this. If this is correct, that means this is transitive also, okay. Again we will check, okay, by putting points, okay. After checking, you will get to know that this is not transitive. So let's check, okay, let's check, okay. I will not skip this part, I will check, okay. Now I want here even number, I want even number here. So, and basically we want to prove this wrong, okay. This is how we solve the question, right, of set relation question. We want to prove that wrong. If in any condition this is wrong, means this is not transitive, right? So for this I am picking a simple example. Let's say 3, 5. I am checking transitive, okay. Let's say 3, 5 and 6, 4. Yes, it's even. How to check? This is the property. So 3 times A into D, okay, which means even number, minus 7 times this into this, it's all even, this also even. So even minus even is also even, okay. Then next one is 6, 4. This is next part, CD. So when I put here 6, so I will pick a number obviously here, and when I let's say put 6 here, so basically what I'm getting here, let's say by putting 6 I will pick a number, let's say 1, okay. And when I'm putting here 6 here, I'm getting 4. Now I'll pick let's say that number, let's say I am getting, let's say, 1. Okay, for example, now I will check that this should be even. This should be even. Okay, so 3 times this 6 into 1 is even number, is also even number, minus 7 times this is also even number. So even minus 7 is also even. Okay, that means this should also even. Okay, that means this and this should also even. If this is correct, then it's not like this is transitive. No, I will pick different example. Okay, so it will take time. So 3,5 to 2,1. This should be even. This should be even. Let's check it. Let's check it. 3 times this into this. How much? 9. Minus 7 times this into this. How much? 70. But this is not even. That means this is not transitive. This is how we solve a question. If anyone is not in, like, by taking any example, by taking any one example, if this is not transitive or symmetric or reflexive, that means we will not count that part. Okay, so reflexive yes, symmetric yes, but not transitive. Simple question, but it will take time. Why? Because picking the numbers is not easy. Okay, which number should I write here? Okay, fine. Next, this is also a very simple question. Okay, very simple. Put this here down. Okay, so you will get e power x minus pi by 4 plus 1 into sine plus cos. But why? Why? Because I can see clearly here that I will put I will apply the property. Property is this plus this, a plus b minus x. So how much is a plus b? How much is a plus b? A plus b is pi by 2. So replace x with pi by 2 minus x. Put here. Limit will not change, obviously. Limit will not change. Okay, I hope you know this property. Okay, so because a plus b minus x, if you know this property, very good. Okay, apply here. After applying this property, you will get, let's say this is I. Okay, you will get here a plus b minus x. So limit first of all will not change. So pi by 2 minus x. So pi by 2 minus x means pi by 4 minus x. So here take minus common. Take minus common, x minus pi by 4. Okay, plus 1 dx here into if you observe here, put x to pi by 2 minus x cos x plus sin x, right? So this expression will not change. This is still same expression. So if you observe here, 1 by this, take LCM, so this will go up. So at the end you will get e power x minus pi by 4 upon e power x minus pi by 4 plus 1 into sine plus cos. I hope this is clear. Okay, after, like, basically this minus in, right? Minus here, so 1 by this, take LCM this. Now this I am assuming it is I, then I will add both I. Okay, I hope you solved this kind of question in NCRT, in RD Sharma, in module. Okay, very simple question. Now I will add both I. Okay, because the base is exactly same. So this plus 1, this plus 1, this will get cancelled with this. Okay, so you will get here integration 2i, right? 2i equal to integration dx upon e power x minus, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, only sine plus cos, only this part. I hope this is clear. Okay, if not clear, please solve NCRT and RD Sharma question. Okay, this plus 1, this will get cancelled this part. Okay, so 2i equal to this. Now we can solve easily. Okay, now we can solve this question easily. 1 by sine plus cos. Okay, so put here. Otherwise you can solve this question multiple way. One is put sin x equal to like 10 half angle formula. Okay, you can solve in this way. Yes. Okay, or are there any different way? Yeah, put x equal to, because I want in RHS minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. first of all, let's change this expression. This is equal to 2 times lambda into 0 to pi by 2 into sec x into dx. How I can do this? It's a property, okay, because it's a even function, right? Even function. So minus a to a, so 2 times this. I hope this is clear. It's very basic point. Okay, so in this property I need 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so I will try to put 0 here. So put x here, replace x with minus pi by 4 plus t. Y equal, obviously equal here. So dx is equal to dt. But why? Why only minus pi by 4? Because when you put lower limit here, you will get t0, right? So integration by 2 also, right? Because I, right? I is equal to this. So 1 by 2 times. So now lower limit 0. Why? Because by putting minus pi by 4, this will become 0. T, right? T. 0. Upper limit, put here 3 pi by 4. You will get t equal to pi. T equal to pi. And dt, because dx equal to dt upon sine of t minus pi by 4 plus cos of t minus pi by 4. Okay, if you open the expression, what you will get? So sine of t minus pi by 4 plus cos of t minus pi by 4. If you open this expression, okay, don't write every step. Okay, you have to be very smart. Sine t minus cos t by root 2, cos t plus sine t by root 2. Who will get cancel? Sin t minus cos t, right? So cos will get cancel, sine will get twice. Okay, so twice of sin t by root 2. I hope this is clear. Okay, please check again. So this is from 0 to pi by 2. Half is already here, half. So 2 root 2, right? 1 by 2 root 2 into cosec t into dt. Now, if you know the basic fundamental of definite integration, this is actually area, right? Area. This t is a variable here. It is t or p, whatever, x, y, z, anything. Okay. This is exactly same expression or not? Yes. How? Obviously, can I write here cosec t as cosec pi by 2 minus t? Why? It's a property which I used here, like in starting. Okay, property is a to b, right? So a plus b minus x. So cosec a plus b minus t. So pi by 2 minus t into dt. And here 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2. Limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay. What is this? Sec t. So now this is exactly same. Okay, don't think about, sir, this is t, this is dt here. This is t and the x here. No, in definite integration both are same, right? Both are same. So this is equal to lambda, 2 lambda. Okay, this is equal to 2 lambda. So 2 lambda is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. So lambda equal to how much? So yes, there is some mistake. I think maybe here 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, please check again. There is some mistake. Okay. Yeah, I think. So the answer is actually 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. There are some number mistake which maybe I missed here. Okay. Check again. So I think this is very simple. Now you can do easily, right? Next question. Let A, B, C, D be equal to, okay. So I will make random diagram obviously. Okay. Because nothing is given here. A, B, and C and D. Okay. In this question, I will use the fundamental of position vector. Okay. So AB vector is this. This is AB vector. AB vector. BC vector is this. BC vector. AD vector. AD. AD vector. AD vector. DC vector. DC. DC vector. FE. So basically, what is F here and E here? So this is given already. There are two diagonal. Okay. And the midpoint, right? Midpoint of AC is E. AC is E. And here is F. Midpoint. Okay. So FE, right? FE means FE. Okay. So here we will use the position vector. Okay. Very, very simple question it is. So what is AB vector? B minus A. AB vector is this, where A point position vector is small a vector. Let's say this is x, y, z here. Okay, x, y, z here. So this one is small a vector, position vector. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then so AB means B minus A, small. Okay, B minus A. This is AB vector, B minus A. This is small b vector, right? Small b here, small c here, small d here. Basically position vector. Okay, minus B minus C means C minus B vector, plus AD means D vector minus A vector, minus DC means C minus A, C minus A, equal to K times FE means E minus F, sorry, F vector, not square. Okay, after simplification you can solve easily. Okay, how? Because you can see here that how many minus A here, and sorry, I think this is CD, not A, CD, yeah. So minus A here, minus A, so minus 2A vector, minus C here, minus C here, so I will take common minus 2, then 2B here I will take 2 common, then also 2D here, right? So I will take 2 also common. So basically this is the expression which I am getting here. This is very basic question, very basic. Now what is B plus D? B here, D here, if you know the basics of a vector, okay, position vector. So B plus D by 2 is actually F vector, small f, okay, position vector. So this whole is equal to F vector plus this whole is equal to E vector minus E vector, because minus here. Why? Because A plus C, the midpoint is E, so again same point, same concept. Okay, if A is the position vector, C is the position vector, okay, position vector, then how to find the you can say E, this vector, how to find? Nothing, A plus C by 2, right? Because it's midpoint, so F minus E into, so okay, done. So F minus E here, and sorry, this is actually 2 times, right? 2 times, so into 4 hoga na, into 4. Why? Because B plus D by 2 is equal to F, right? So B plus D how much? 2F. Okay, so 2 into 4 here, 4 here. So you can see clearly that K will be equal to minus 4. So option C is correct. Again, very basic question. Okay, very basic, typical RD Sharma question. Okay, next question, simple question actually, and the answer is this. Okay, there is one misprinting in the DeepL text solution. Okay, please check. Now this kind of question is given. Okay, we will take 10 in the whole question. Okay, 10 of A plus B equal to this, 10 of this. Okay, so sorry, 10 of A plus B formula equal to 10 of 10 inverse 2 by this whatever. Okay, simple. If you think, sir, we know the formula that 10 inverse x plus 10 inverse y. See, this kind of question you should not solve in this way, because it will take too much time. Why? Because in that formula there are 3 conditions. Okay, x into y, this is x, this is y, x into y is more than 1, x, y is less than 1, whatever, so many conditions, right? If you solve in this way, take 10 both side, 10 theta, sorry, 10 both side, you will get extra solution. Okay, you won't get correct answer. Okay, you will get extra solution. You have to check those extra solution by putting in the actual question. Okay, so 10 of this plus, basically 10 will get cancelled, you will get only 2 by x square here, and 10a plus b, how much? 10a, again 10 will get cancelled, 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a into 10b. Very simple. Okay, next, this is here. Now take LCM. Okay, do everything. Okay, so here you will get 6x plus 2 upon 8x square plus 6x, 1 will get cancelled. Okay, equal to 2 by x square. So from here You can say that 2 also cutting here. So 3x plus 1, 3x square plus 3x plus 1 into x. Okay, because x is also cancelling here. Okay, so from here x equal to 0 possible, we will check later. Okay, this is correct or not. From here, yes, x equal to 0 possible. Okay, because cutting here, right? We will check. So after cutting, x will go there, 3x. So 2 also cutting here, 3x square plus x equal to, this will come here, and 8x square plus 6x. Okay, so from here you are getting how much? 5x square plus 5x. Wait, let me check again. 5x square, 2 will cancel, and 3x plus 1. Okay, so 8 over 6x. Yeah, 5 here, 0 equal to this. I hope this is correct. Okay, whatever. So from here you are getting 0, x equal to 0 or minus 1. But why I am getting wrong answer here? 6, this plus this, sorry, so 6x plus 2 upon this multiplication is 8x square. Yeah, then 6x plus 1 will cancel, done. 2 here cutting and cutting, then x also cutting. Yeah, oh sorry, 6 here, right? 6 here. Okay, 8x plus 6, 8x plus 6. Okay, because x also cutting here, right? Then obviously you will find the answer x here. Okay, so 3x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. From here you will get x equal to I think factors are 9 2, I think, right? 9 2. So 3x square means minus 9x plus 2x. So one factor is minus 2 by 3. Yeah, minus 2 by 3. Okay, so minus 2 by 3. So answer is minus 2 by 3, and second point is x equal to 3. Okay, so these three are the answer which you are getting. These three. Now these are not answers, okay, of this question. We will check by putting in the question. Okay, put x0 here. X0 is not correct. This is wrong, because 1 by 0. You can say, sir, tan inverse of 1 by 0 we write pi by 2. No, this is exactly 0. Okay, not a 0 plus 0 minus. This is exactly 0. This is wrong. Minus 2 by 3 is also wrong. Why? Because this will become negative. This is positive. Okay, this is also wrong. 3 is the only answer which is correct. Sir, how do you know? Obviously, put here, check. Tan inverse of 1 by 7, right? Plus tan inverse of 13. Yeah, 13, 1 by 13. Okay, and here tan inverse of how much? Tan inverse of 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Right? So when you apply the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, you will get this value. Okay, so this is correct. Nice. So only number of solution is only 1. Okay, only 1 is correct. Next question. Yeah, this question is not very simple. Okay, this is one of the difficult question. Now, what you can do here, first of all, make diagram. Okay, this is an ellipse. This is a first of all observation. This point P lies on this same line, a comma 2, because the level is same. This is 2 here, this is 3 here, right? You can see clearly 3 here, 2 here. So obviously this point is exactly on the same level. Okay, so P, whatever. Now what we can do, make a line. It's not like, basically it's a general line. Okay, it's a general line. Okay, so this point A, this point is B. It is given, obviously given here. This point is C, this point D. Okay, A cutting at A and D, and cutting on X and Y axis at B and C, given in this question. Find minimum value of A, whatever. So now basically, first of all, PA, PB, PC, PD, these four are in GP. Okay, and we will use this concept later. First of all, what you can do here, you can tell me, sir, make line equation. Okay, no, it's not like this. Okay, because if you solve in this way, then please skip this question. It's not very simple. Okay, now here we will take a length R. Okay, if you know the concept in a straight line, okay, that a line is given, a point is fixed point is given. So from this point, length R is there. There is a point. How to find this point? let's say x1 comma y1. So the point is x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. Okay, and there can be two possibility, either here or here, right? 2 points. So this property I will use in this question. Okay, that at a distance r, from this point, there is a point A lies on the curve. Then I will put this point in the equation because lies on the curve. Let's start. So point A will be A minus, so let's say A plus r cos theta. What is cos theta here? I will assume the slope is tan theta. Slope is tan theta. Okay. So obviously A plus r cos comma 2 plus r sin. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. If you know this straight line concept. Okay. Now this point lies on the curve. Put the point in the curve. Okay. So A plus r cos theta upon 9 and here whole square obviously plus 2 plus r sin theta upon 4 and here whole square equal to 1. If you open this, obviously open this, so you will get r square, take common, okay, cos square by 9 from here plus sin square by 4 from here, okay, then take r common, you will get from here something, okay, I won't write here. Why? Because this is not important. Then plus, what is the constant part? Constant part, it will come from a square by 9 and from here 4 by 4, 1 cut. So this is the only constant part. I hope this is clear. Okay. Something is here I won't write. Why? Because tell me, what is the roots, alpha beta, or you can say, let's say whatever, let's say alpha beta. Now the multiplication of root is c by a, right? And multiplication means, let's say r1 into r2 is how much? C by a. So a square by 9 into this, basically c by a. Okay, so cos square by 9 plus sin square by 4. But what is this and why we are finding this value? Very simple reason, that R1 and R2 are nothing but PA and PD. What is R1 here? R is a distance from this point. Okay, now the R value is in such a way that R lies on the, basically the point lies on this curve. Okay, so this can be A or D, not B and C. I hope this is clear. Okay, because first of all, this is not only A. Okay, this is just a, I am writing just like for reference. Okay, now the point is A plus something, let's say R distance here. Okay, so R can be two type. Okay, this or this. This also lies on the curve, right? So this is why R1 and R2 are nothing but PA into PD is equal to this. Okay. Also, if you know basic property of GP, that PA into PD should be equal to PB into PC. Why? Four numbers A, B, C, D are in GP. So do you know that A into, so basically B square equal to A into C, basic GP property. Okay. C square equal to B into D, or in simple word, from equal distance A into D equal to B into C, basic GP property, right? So this is clear. Now this is also equal to PB into PC, right? And what is PB? What is PB? Now I hope this is clear. Okay, and this is also equal to R1 into R2. So basically this equal to this equal to this equal to this. Okay, so now B point and C point lies on the axis. Okay, in the same way, I found this point A and basic. Okay, can I use the same property, straight line property, in this B and C? Yes. So point B is actually A plus PB into cos theta. Same way. Okay, this is actually R. Okay, so basically A plus PA cos theta, 2 plus PA sin theta. In same way, A plus PB cos theta, 2 plus PB sin theta. This is point B. Similarly, point C will be A plus PC into cos theta, whatever is the length will come here, okay, comma 2 plus PC into sin theta, right? Now basics fundamental, point B, the ordinate is 0, point C abscissa is 0. From here we will write that 2 plus PB into sin theta equal to 0 and A plus PC into cos theta equal to 0. So now after getting these information, we can solve this question. First of all, this is not a simple question. This question is actually difficult. Okay. So now what we can do, we found PB and PC, nice. So put here A square upon, multiply inside, okay. So cos square plus sin square into 9 by 4 equal to PB into PC. What is PB here? PB is minus 2 by sine theta into minus 1 will get cancel, okay, minus A by cos. So minus cut A by cos, and you can see here, first of all A cut because A can't be 0, obviously A is not 0, okay. Now we got a simple equation, okay, and here, so obviously now it's a simple question, okay. So basically A is equal to this will go there, okay. So 2 into, then you will divide sin cos, so you will get here cot theta, and 2 is here obviously, okay. So after getting this, basically I will divide this here, okay. So by sin cos I will get cot plus 9 by cot, clear. Now generally I teach this point x plus a by x range, because here theta is obviously from 0 to 90 degree, okay. So this is obviously positive angle here, so basically positive value here, okay. In this condition the range will be 2 into the range of this expression, is 2 root a, this is a, 2 root a, so 3 by 2 to infinite. If you don't know that what is this, you can solve, you can find the range of this part in different way, which whatever you know, okay. Generally I take the reference point of x plus a by x, okay. So for x plus a by x, the range will be, if x is positive, range will be 2 root a to infinite. How much is this? This is 3 to infinity, okay. So into 2, so into 2 here, so a range will be how much? 6 to infinity. This is the range of a. So minimum value of a is equal to 6. Again, this question is actually very difficult, because in this question, first of all, you have to use the property of a straight line. After this, still you can't do, okay. Actually this is difficult question, okay. Please skip this question. Next, A given, B given, C given. Achha, C is given in AB format. So let's write first of all C here. Alpha. So alpha I cap plus beta, alpha plus beta into j cap. Okay, I am skipping one step here. Please solve properly step by step. Plus beta into k cap. I hope this is clear. Okay, this is C vector because C was given in AB format. Okay, now I found C value. Nice. This vector, this and this are coplanar. Very basic question. 3 vectors are in same plane. The volume of tetrahedron or parallelepiped is 0. Okay, or simple word, box of ABC is 0. Okay, so coefficients 1, minus 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, alpha, alpha plus beta and beta. Just open it, normally open it, simple, finish. So otherwise you can do this plus this, okay, your choice. So R1 as R1 plus R2, row transformation. So this will become 4, this will become 4, this will become 0, 0. 4 0 0. Now I will pick first row. Okay, so 4 into 2 beta minus plus, so 2 beta plus alpha plus beta. I hope this is clear. Okay, from here you will get equal to 0, okay, equal to 0. So from here alpha plus 3 beta, right, equal to 0. So what is alpha upon beta? Is 3 mod, right? There is mod. So answer is 3 is equal to 3. Again, very basic question. Even same kind of questions in this paper. So many questions are from R.D. Sharma. Okay, not difficult exam. Next, a bag contain 100 balls and whatever. So basically, out of those 100 balls, we are picking 4 balls. Keep in mind the order. Order is important. See, order is important, or should I say that arranging in a 4 places is same thing, right? So picking 4 balls out of 100 such that, let's say this is first ball, second ball, third ball and fourth ball, in such a way that last ball, this is I'm picking, okay, one, picking first, picking second, third, then last fourth ball I'm picking. Okay, this is not number, this is fourth ball. Okay, this ball, last ball is smallest. Okay, so fourth ball is smallest, basically smaller than first ball. Okay, not small actually, fourth ball is smaller than first ball. It's very obvious. First of all, total number of cases, picking 4 balls out of 100, 100 C4, total cases. Okay, if you take in a order, so obviously 100 C4 into 4 factorial. You can pick, let's say I will take simple example, take 1 2 3 4. Okay, you are picking first ball first, then third, then second, then fourth. It's a different way of let's say you're picking second, then third, then two, then one, like this. Okay, so order is important. It's like a arranging. Okay, so arrangement, clear? Now this is total cases. Now probability of getting that case in which fourth ball was this number lesser than first number. Okay, so how many cases? It's very obvious, half of them. Why? See, example. Let's say I am picking, okay, because I am picking randomly. Okay, so let's say 2, 15 and 11 and let's say 29, whatever. Okay, so now total number of cases in which let's say first ball, okay, first ball, second ball, third ball and fourth ball, whatever. Okay, total number of cases in which last ball which I am picking is lesser than first ball. Okay, so basically let's say 2, 15, 11, 29. Okay, or 2, 15, 29, 11. Okay, it's like a first position, I will write here, first position, second position, third position, fourth position. Fourth position number should be smaller than first position. So I will make all the cases, right? Actually, how many cases are there? 24 cases are there. Okay, 24. Now, if you check this properly, don't count like this. Okay, it will take too much time. What you will do here? Again, I will take a simple example. Okay, take 1 2 3 4. So 4 here, yes. Then 4 here, then any number can come here. So 6. Very obvious. If 1 here, still smaller than this number. 2 here, still small, right? If 3 is here, so only 1 and 2 can come here. Okay, and how many cases are here? So basically 3 is here, so 4 cannot come here. Okay, so 4 can't come here. So how many cases? 4 can come here, 4 can come here. Total how many? 4? Sure. Because how to find this? Basically 2 possibility are here. Okay, and 2 number here, so 2 into 1. Okay, so 2 into 1 into 4. Yeah. Then if 2 is here, so only one should be here. Okay, and these can rearrange, so again two possibility. Okay, if one is here, then if one is here, this case is not possible because any number out of 1 2 3 4 can come here. No, no. Okay, so how many are here? 12, right? Which is very obvious. Okay, so picking four numbers out of 100, okay, then I will arrange such that last number is smaller than first number. Done. Into 12 ways, 12 ways arrangement. Okay, so this is favorable cases upon total cases upon total is this. Answer is half. This is actually probability. Okay, so is A, this is probability, so into 2 means into 2, answer is 1. Very very simple question. Okay, typical RD Sharma level. Next. Okay, ठीक है. So this question is very simple. So alpha is this. Nice. Okay, what is fx here? So this is my observation that I found that fx is actually summation of k equal to 0 to 20. Yes or no? A k x power k. Very obvious. Put 0 here. A0 x power 0 is 1. So A0 is the first term. Yeah, it's here. Put 1 here. So A1 x1, it's here. So you can write this expression as this. This is given just to confuse you. Okay. Next part. Next one is, if you focus here, this is nothing but summation. Okay, let's apply here. Okay, so f of, put 0, x, fx plus f alpha x plus f of alpha square x plus f of alpha cube x plus f of how many? 7 thala, why thala, plus f of alpha over 5x plus f of alpha over 6. Thank God. Okay, equal to this I won't write here. Okay, nice. Now I will find this value. It's very very simple actually, if you know basic property of complex number. Okay, this I will use here. See how fx is actually summation of this. So basically a k x power k summation. You can see here clearly that fx, so basically you are changing the input. Okay, this summation will not change. This same limit here, same limit here, this will not change. Ak will not change because x is not here, x is only here, right? So next summation, f of alpha x will become summation of ak, limit will not change, alpha power k x power k. Basically I am just breaking the powers. Okay, plus next f of alpha square x means summation of ak alpha power 2k into x power k, like this. Now if you see here, take all summation outside because same limit here. Okay, limit same hai, k equal to 0 to 20, and you can see here clearly this is nothing but ak x power k. I will take common. Yeah, common. Inside you will get 1 plus alpha power k plus alpha square, alpha 2k plus alpha power 3k, like this, up to alpha power 6k is equal to this expression. Don't write. Okay, don't write. Now here we will use the property of complex number. Okay, the property is alpha is this. Okay, focus here, 2 pi by 7. So property of complex number is, if alpha is e power 2 pi by n into iota, so 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube up to alpha power n minus 1 is equal to 0 or n, depend on this n number. Okay, so please revise chapter. Okay, if you know the property, you can solve this question easily. Okay, like after getting this expression, instantly you can say, sir, this I know already. Okay, so now 1, if I talk about this expression, 2 pi by 7 into iota, 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube up to alpha power 6, not 7, 6 only, is equal to how much is equal to 0? Yeah, 0 or so sorry, here power k, here power k, power k, power k, power k. Now there is two properties, 7. Okay, properties, if k is actually the multiple of sorry, if not multiple of 7, if k is multiple of 7, okay, 7 multiple, not 7 actually, if k is 7 multiple, then this will become 7. Okay, if k is not 7 multiple, then obviously this will be 0. This is the property which I will use here. Okay, so now I will remove this part, and now from here you can say that summation of a k x power k into, okay, open it. Okay, put x 0 here. So when you put x 0 here, 0 is the 7 factor, okay, multiple. Okay, so you will get how much? Yeah, you will get 7. Okay, so a naught x power 0 into 7 plus, now you will put 0, done. Now put 1 here. When you put 1 here, so 1 is not the multiple of 7, so you will get 0. Now put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0 into something is 0. Now you will put 7. When you put k7 here, it says 7 multiple, so you will get 7. So 7 into ak into x power 7. Now put 8. 8 is not multiple of 7. Again you will get 0, 0, 0, 0 up to 13. Then put here 14. Okay, so you will get 7. So again 7 into a14 into x power 14. Okay, now put 15, 20, 15, 16, not multiple of 7. So till how much? 20, all 0. Then you will get at 21, but k is not 21. So all 0. So this is equal to this given expression. And you can see here clearly n equal to 7. Okay, so n equal to 7. Very, very simple question. Take 7 common here. Done. So find the smallest okay, critical value. So basically f dash should be 0. F dash will be how much? Minus 2 alpha into sine 2x. Okay, minus plus hoga. Okay, 12 into cos square into sine x. Okay, take common here. 4 sine x into cos x. Inside what you will get? 2 here, I mean 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so 4 here, I took common here 4, I took common 4 sin cos. So what is remaining here? Only minus alpha. From here I took sin cos common, so and 4 also common, 3 cos plus 3 cos plus 3 into cos. What is the question? Exactly one critical point. Exactly means only one. Okay, only one between 0 to pi. Now it is very obvious that between 0 to pi I will draw two graphs, sin cos. Okay, so this is sine graph, open. So open here, and this is for sine, this is for cos. Okay, open here. Sine into cos between 0 to, let's focus on sine. Between 0 to pi, when 0 and pi both are open, this will not be 0, obviously. This can be 0 at pi by 2. So there is one point, x equal to pi by 2. Okay, what is given here? Exactly one critical point between this. So one I found easily, pi by 2. Now you can say, sir, this also 0, right? This also 0 possible. But if this is also 0 possible, that means you are finding more critical point. Okay, but what I need only one critical point. Okay, not more than one. Okay, yeah, recording. So now obviously this is not 0. Okay, so you can say that 3 into cos x minus alpha should not be 0. Okay, from here 3 cos range in this interval, range is obviously minus 1 to 1. Okay, so minus 3 into 3, so minus 3 to 3, close bracket here. Yeah, sorry, open. Why open? Because open here. Okay, so open interval. Alpha is not belong to this. Okay, I should not write like this. Okay, because it's a set, so alpha is not belongs to this. If alpha is not belong to this, you can say that alpha is belongs to minus infinite to minus 3 close. Okay, union 3 to infinity. Why close here? Because alpha is not this. So alpha can be 3 minus 3 and remaining portion. Okay, so this is the answer. Now positive integral value, smallest, answer is 3. Okay, so very simple question. So this is the discussion. Okay, fine. Thank you so much.